Shall we start? Please note down the formula of AI when salvage value is given is cost of investments minus scrap value divided by 2 plus scrap value plus additional working capital. Okay, this is the formula when salvage value is given. Done with the question. Shall we go to the another one? Yes. Okay. Now, wait, I'll tell you which one. Yes, we can do this. Yes, it's a good question. Charlie Company Limited wishes to buy a machine costing rupees 2 lakhs. Is this question visible to you clearly? The question is visible. Okay. Charlie Company Limited wishes to buy a machine costing rupees 2 lakhs. So cost of machine is 2 lakhs. That is my original investment, cost of investment. Life of the machine is 10 years and scrap value is 5,000. Again, scrap value is given, okay? And it's not, a problem. When scrap value is given, only what we have to do is we have to apply a second formula, which is little lengthy. But it's not difficult. I hope you have understood the formula. It's very simple. Cost of investment minus scrap value divided by 2. After the bracket, you have to write plus, add back the scrap value and add back the working capital if it is given in the question. But working capital is not given here. Okay. The following details are provided. Average annual net profit before tax. See, first of all, average word is used here. Average. That means they are already giving you the amount of profit which is average. Which is average. 20,000 is average net profit before tax. So something is lacking behind. What we need? Net profit, average net profit after tax. But they are giving you average net profit before tax. So what has to be done? We need to deduct the tax. And then we can say, yes, it is my average net profit after tax. डेप्रिसिएशन ऑलरेडी चार्ज, वो तो मुझे भी पता है क्योंकि नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स बोला है ना उसने दिया नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स, तो डेप्रिसिएशन तो ऑलरेडी चार्ज ही होगा ना, सही तो बोल रहा है वो. ठीक है. कैलकुलेट पे बैक, ये सम हमने किया है पे बैक के हिसाब से. अगर नहीं किया है तो होमवर्क में ले लो. और सेकेंड मेथड है हमारा ARR. वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट विथ ARR मेथड. राइट डाउन how we will do it. I'll tell you. Wait. Yes. Sum number 13, right? Sum number 13 है कि 12 है?
13 है ना, right है.
And we have ARR method. Cost of machine is rupees. Tell me. Cost of machine
2 lakh.
Cost of machine is 2 lakhs. Very good. 2 lakhs. Step number 1 is calculation of average net profit after tax. Now, what is given to you? Given is net profit before tax. And what was that? See here. Again, the formula is original investment minus scrap value divided by 2 Additional working capital is to be added back with scrap value. So there was, I will send you that chart again. Okay. Yes. So coming back to question, we have, coming back to ARR method, we have net profit before tax 20,000 and tax rate is 35%. So this is 35,000 which is already available to you, net profit before tax. And it is average. We have no, there is no point deducting and dividing it with number of years. Okay, then we have to deduct tax, which is in the bracket 35% of this way. Tax bracket 35,000 into 35 percentage. Bracket close and
20,000.
क्या हुआ क्या हो गया
एवरेज प्रॉफिट तो अपना 20,000 दिया है.
प्रॉफिट 20 है सॉरी वेरी सॉरी 20,000 दिया हुआ है ये वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट average net profit before tax is 20,000 which is already available in the question. We just have to deduct the tax from 20,000. So 20,000 into 35 percentage. What is the amount of
7,000.
Okay.
7,000.
Very good. 7,000 we have tax. That has to be put in bracket because always the amount which has to be deducted has to be shown in the brackets. So we get average net profit after tax. This is what we want. No need to make table and all. No need to divide it with number of years. Why we need to divide it with number of years? Because we need average net profit. Already profit is average. Given the profit is average only. The given net profit is in the form of average profit only. So why we need to divide it with number of years? No, we don't need to do it. Again, what we need to do is we need to only deduct the tax because we are asked to calculate average net profit after tax. But what is provided in the question is net profit before tax. So only what has to be done is deduct tax. Okay. What would be the final answer? Wait.
13,000.
Yes, correct. 13,000 is correct answer. That is my average net profit. This is my average net profit after tax. Okay, fine. Now step number 2. Tell me, what is step number 2? Calculation of AI. I'll write down short form of it. You please write full form. You all have to use full forms. AI. What is the formula for AI now? Is the scrap value given in the question? You have to think before using the formula. Is the, scrap value given in the question? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, look at the question. If you don't remember, look at the question. Scrap value is 5,000. Yes, it is given. So what is the formula? I'll copy down from here. To save my time. Okay, this is my formula which I'm copying and pasting it down. Okay, cost of investment minus scrap value divided by 2. Adding back scrap value and working capital. My formula is complete. Cost of investment. What is cost of investment? 2 lakhs. Minus scrap value. Scrap
2
value.
lakh.
5,000 scrap value.
5,000.
Very good. Divided by 2. Okay. Put this equation in the brackets. And outside the bracket, you have to add scrap value, which is 5,000. Add working capital, which is not given in the question. So it's okay if you're not writing anything. Writing add Writing plus 0 is also okay, or leaving it as it is also okay. So 2 lakhs minus, opening the bracket is now the next step. 2 lakhs minus 5,000 is 1,95,000. Am I right? Am I going right way? 2 lakhs minus 5,000 is 1,95,000. 1,95,000 divided by 2.
90,
1,95,000 divided by 2.
97,500.
97,500. That's good answer. Plus 5,000. So what is the final answer after adding 97,500 in 5,000? What is the
One lakh
final answer?
25,000.
1 lakh? Pardon?
25,000.
25? No.
मैम 1,02,500.
Yes. 25 तो बहुत हो गया. समझ ही आ रहा है. वो सिर्फ 5,000 ऐड करना 97 में. तो 25 कैसे हो जाएगा? 1,05,000, 1,02,500. Yes, this is correct answer. This is the answer of step number 2. And this is the answer of step number 1. Let me highlight it. Now step number 3. What is the step number 3? Calculation of ARR. So ARR is equals to average net profit after tax, ANPAT, average net profit after tax divided by AI, average investment, into 100. I hope you are okay with my short forms. Average net profit after tax means answer of step number 1, 13,000, divided by average investment, the answer of step number 2, 1,02,500, into 100, because we have to convert the answer into percentage. So my final answer is
12.6.
12.6. 8 के बाद क्या है?
मैम 8 आएगा, सॉरी.
8 आएगा कि 9 आएगा? तो 8
मैम
आएगा.
8 आएगा.
हाँ, क्योंकि पीछे 2 है ना, तो फिर एक नंबर से बढ़ाएंगे नहीं उसको, एज इट इज रहने दो. 12.68 इज माय फाइनल आंसर. ठीक है, सबको समझ आ रहा है? सबको आ रहा है? सुनाई दे रही है आवाज? ठीक से आ रहा है सबको समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good going. Okay, so now I'm giving you again 2 minutes to copy down. You can copy down it. Are you making your fair books? You all have to make it, okay? Copy it down fast. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay, look at the second question. It is of payback. We have already done it for payback, but now we are doing it for ARR method. This is the question which is appearing on the screen. Calculate payback period, calculate ARR from the following information of Safeway Limited. So we are doing this sum as per ARR method. Investment 1 lakh. Okay. Screen is visible to you. Kajal, what happened? Screen is visible? Yes. So calculate ARR when investment is given rupees 1 lakh. This is cost of investment, which is 1 lakh. Estimated life 10 years. Tax rate is 50%. The profit for 4 years is given. Profit before depreciation. They have already given the amount of depreciation in the question, and they have also deducted the depreciation and made available to you the profit after depreciation, or we can say profit before tax. Profit after depreciation or profit before tax is one and the same thing. So 30, 50, 40, 40, the fourth column. The fourth column is profit after depreciation. I would call rather it as net profit before tax. So I will pick up this profit. I will take this profit and deduct 50% tax rate, which is also available to you with the amounts. Only what I have to do is deducting the tax from net profit before tax. I will get net profit after tax. Okay. So shall we start with the, I mean, this is the question. Now, I'm starting with the solution. Sum number 14. ARR. That's it. Step number 1 is calculation. Step number 1 is calculation of average net profit after tax. ANPAT. Average net profit after tax. Because it is not available. See, first you have to calculate net profit after tax. Only then you will be able to calculate average net profit after tax. Because in this question, net profit after tax is not available, we will have to calculate it. How many, a table, we have to make a table. So here, net profit before tax, which is available to you, less tax, and then you will get net profit after tax. That's done. 4 column. Done. Because we want average net profit, because we want net profit after tax to calculate average of it. Okay. Here, and the net profit before tax, less tax. Finally, we will come to net profit after tax. How many years? One. Sorry. One. What is the net profit before tax of first year? 30, 50, 40, 40. See, I'm not taking this amount. Huh? This is net profit before depreciation. After deducting the depreciation, what we get it as is net profit before tax. And we want that only. To deduct the tax, we want net profit before tax. So this is my net profit before tax. 30, 50, 40, 40. 50, 40, 40. These are 4 years net profit. Now tax rate is 50%. Now we don't have to think 50% of 30,000 is 15,000. No, already given. 15, 25, 20, 20. 15, 25, 20, 20. So what should be the last answer, net profit after tax? Of course, if we deduct 50%, the answer would also be 50% only. That's obviously, it has to be 50% only. So 15,000, again 25,000. After deducting, huh? 20, and then again 20. Yes, correct. Okay, now step number 2. Oh, sorry, step number 2 में उसके पहले हमको निकालना है average net profit after tax. Average net profit after tax तो हमने निकाला ही नहीं. So what is the formula of average net profit after tax? Total net profit after tax. Total net profit after tax divided by number of years. Okay. What is total net profit after tax? What is total net profit after tax? This last column's total.
80%.
Yes, last column's total is 15 plus 25 plus 20 plus 20. What is the column of total? I mean, what is the total of the last column?
80,000.
Yes. The last column's total is 80,000 divided by 4 years. So my answer is
20,000.
yes, pardon.
20.
30, 32,
20.
20.
20, ma'am.
Okay, 20. Yes, of course. 4 to 5 बराबर है 20,000. तो ये मेरा हो जाएगा average net profit after tax. This is my answer of the step number 1. Okay. Now, step number 2, calculation of AI. Scrap value is given in the question? No. See, look at the question, no scrap value is given. So the formula would be, can anybody tell me the formula? This is the simplest formula, cost of investment upon 2. What is the cost of
2.
investment? 1 lakh. We forgot to
1
write
lakh.
it. Say this cost of investment has to be written in the beginning also. Cost of project. Cost of project is equals to 1 lakh rupees. Always remember, we have to write this in the beginning of the question and solution. Rupees 1 lakh divided by 2. So it would be
50,000.
50,000 what? Rupees. Rupees 50,000 is my average investment. Okay, I'll highlight it as step number 2. This is step number 2. Sorry. Okay. Now step number 3. Step number 3, calculation of ARR. Okay. ARR is equals to average net profit after tax divided by average investment into 100. Average net profit after tax. What was that? The answer of first step. Answer of step number 1 was 20,000, which is average net profit after
20,000.
tax. Very good. The answer of step number 2 was rupees 50,000, which is my average investment in 200 because I need to convert it into percentage. So 20 by 15 to 100. My answer would be 40 to 20. And that's my final one.
40.
Done. See how simple the sum is. How simple it is. Okay, now you can copy them. Copy the first part. I will stretch the screen down. You first copy down the first part. So we are done with ARR method. I'm not going to repeat again. I'm giving you some sums to practice it at home so that you are confident that you can solve ARR method also. I will give you sums. Wait, first you copy down this. Okay, ARR method is done. And now from tomorrow we will start with NPV and PI method. That is net present value and profitability index method. After completing NPV, we would have only PI and both are little much similar. Moreover, uh, after doing NPV, PI will become easy for you all. Okay, I think 5 to 6 lectures are enough for NPV and PI method, and then we will complete our. I will finish with capital budgeting chapter. Maximum 5 lectures we will need for capital budgeting. Okay. Shall I end the lecture now? Any doubts so far?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Fine. You keep practicing, okay? Okay, I'll end the lecture. Bye, everybody. Take care.